Hello everybody, this is Natasha Advani, an intuitive energy alchemist. Today's video is about how to stop making excuses and start getting what you want. You know, everyone has excuses. I can't do this, so I'm not doing this, so I can't do this, I'm not good at it. But you know what? If it's important for you, you will not make the excuse. It depends that work or health or relationship, how important it is to you. So first thing is, ask yourself, is this really important to me? Will this expand my life? Will I feel good after doing it? And no, you're not going to feel good. Why? Because it's going to push you to come out of your comfort level. You know, our brain always wants things easy, but when we have to come out of our comfort level, we really don't like it. So you will have to push yourself to come out of your comfort level, because you know your inner voice will always tell you, no, don't do it, it's not good, you'll have fear. So you have to stop, just have a pause moment and really ask yourself that from within, that you know, if I really want to expand my life or achieve anything you want in your life in terms of health, relationship, or even your work, so you have to stop that inner voice, stop that excuse you have, and learn to move forward. Another important thing is, you know, learn also to listen to your inner voice, listen to people, listen to your children or your friends or your colleagues. You know, we have to have that, sometimes we have that awkward pause, that if you know, if we are not sure if we want to do something, or you know, oh, that will not turn out good. These are all inner negativity in our life. So just learn sometimes to pause and listen to your inner voice and say, no, these are all excuses and I'm going to get over it. I'm going to get over it and come out of it and achieve whatever I want, you know. And have also, important thing is, have the listening habit. You know, we hear, we don't listen, whether it's our colleague, our children, because when we really sit down or just relax and listen to what's being said and our inner voice, or even anything outside, we'll really know that what is it that is stopping us from achieving what we want. So please try these techniques and see if it works for you. And also, I would, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your family and friends. And also, I would love to know that, tell me something, if you really wanted something in your life, did you actually have an excuse, or you did wish to overcome it? So please comment on the comment below, and I would love to hear from you. And you know what, guys, never judge yourself, as you are the gift the world wants. Everyone has a unique gift within us. So never compare yourself or judge yourself to anyone, because everyone is unique, because God never creates waste. And for more tips, please subscribe to my channel and click on the link below for my new book, which is an international bestseller, From Mess to Mesmerize. Thank you.